Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for a Sunday reset. We're going to be doing some cleaning, decorating, and finally going over my master bedroom makeover plans, which is coming up real soon, you guys. We got all the big pieces in, just a little bit of touches that we need, and I am going to be showing you guys some little demos so you guys can help me vote on the last couple of things that I have to finish off. But first, I did want to thank CUPSHE for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be doing a try on for you guys in a second, but CUPSHE is a brand that's known for their stunning bikinis, but also have cover-ups, beautiful dresses, and sandals. And I can tell you guys from experience, the quality and material of these pieces are super comfortable and flattering, you guys. They design their pieces to fit all body shapes from extra small to 4X, and my favorite part is that they're affordable, with average prices being under $30. First piece I'm going to be showing you guys is this beautiful blue floral dress. It's the only skin tight one that I got from today's haul, but this is how it looks on their model, and I'm just showing you guys this for each one just so you can see it's pretty accurate. I hate when it doesn't look like what it looks like online, but you will not have that problem with CUPSHE. But it has this beautiful cuffed sleeves. I'm in love. A fun fact about me is I do not like showing my arms, so I don't wear spaghetti straps. So I'm in love with the whole style of this dress, and I am a medium in this dress. They do have a size guide, and sometimes it is different, varying from their dresses and their bikinis, so definitely make sure you check on that. But I am a medium in mostly everything that I'm going to be showing you guys today. This is the second dress I got. It was a tie front dress. It just ties in the front and it's beautiful. It's like a pinkish reddish with, again, floral. I think everything I got today was floral, but again, here I'm showing you how it looks on the model, pretty similar to how it looks on me. Again, accurate, and this is more flowy. I also got it in green, as I'm showing you guys here, and I'm going to be obviously showing you guys that later on, but I am a medium in both of these dresses as well. But it's super flowy. It's not as skin tight as the other one. I love the arms. Again, it's covering my upper arm. I have this thing about my arms, you guys. I just think that my arms are like super big compared to my body, but anyways, that's one of my insecurities for you guys. But it has this tie in the front, and it's super cute. When I put on the green dress, I actually didn't wear it with the green tie, so I'll show you guys that in a second, because you can wear it either with the tie or without the tie. I think the tie is just for like added style or decor or whatever, but as you can see here, I am not wearing it with the green dress. Yeah, this dress is pretty much the same exact dress as the previous one, but just in green. I love both colors. I love how flowy they are. The material is just very airy. Like, I can see myself. I hate in New York when it gets hot, it gets like humid hot, and I hate wearing clothes that just don't let me breathe, and these dresses are super breathable. I also got a bathing suit cover up, I got two bathing suit cover ups, and this is one of them, and I'm just showing you guys. I have the bikini under. I'll show you guys a picture here of what the bikini looks like. I'm not gonna obviously be showing you guys, so thank you to CUPSHE for allowing me to show you a little bit under and not the actual bikini. But yeah, I love this bikini, you guys. It holds up so well, if you know what I'm saying. I'm a breastfeeding mom, and this does wonders for me. I'm in love with this bikini, and it's high waist. They have all type of bikinis, high waist, low waist, so if whatever you're comfortable with, they have it on their site, and their bikinis are super stylish. And again, they hold up so well. The bottom is kind of like shapewear. I'm not even kidding you guys. And I was also a medium in this bikini, and it fit perfectly. Both the top and the bottom fit perfect. This is the cover up, one of the cover ups that I got for the bikini. It's just like a simple little cover up that you can wear on your way to the beach or pool or wherever. I got it in pink. They also have it in white, and again, I am also a medium in this dress, but well, not dress, it's a cover up, but I'm in love with it. It's super dainty, super breathable, and it's everything that you can get out of a cover up. This is the last piece I'm going to be showing you guys today, and it is another cover up. It's kind of like a t-shirt. It buttons at the top and then the bottom is loose, and again I'm wearing the same bikini under, and I'm going to show you guys here how it looks on the model. But it has two slits on the side and then one slit in the middle, obviously, and it fits super flowy, so perfect for the beach because you don't want to have cover ups. I am a medium in this as well, basically everything I'm a medium, but yeah, like you don't want something too heavy on as a cover up when you're going to the beach because obviously it's going to be hot, or the pool, or wherever you're at. But I am in love with this piece. I am in love with all of these pieces, you guys, and take it from me, not even because this is sponsored. These are super beautiful and super comforting and flattering. So I do have a discount code for you guys in the description, so if you're interested, make sure that you go ahead and go on CUPSHE.com. I also linked everything that I got below. And now jumping back into today's Sunday reset, we're going to be cleaning. My kitchen was a mess. Downstairs was a mess because we are officially starting all the makeovers again, including the master bedroom makeover, which I'm going to be showing you guys a little sneak peek in a second. But yeah, we've also been doing like backyard makeovers. We're planning backyard makeovers and front yard stuff, as you guys will see in an upcoming video. And we're just getting back to the swing of things, and honestly it's become a lot. So I did already tell you guys this, I believe, but I am going to be stepping away for the moment until like the major makeovers are done, if that makes sense, like the master bedroom, the things that we want to do outside and stuff. I'm going to be stepping away from Fridays. If you're new here, I usually post Tuesdays and Fridays, and I've been doing my best at keeping up that schedule. But when I'm doing large makeovers like this, I'm sure you guys can guess that it's not as easy as it looks on camera. You know, everything's not sped up, and there's runs to Home Depot and things that you forget and going back and forth. So it's a lot, especially when you have little ones, and I have a 1.5-year-old that we don't always have somebody to watch while we do these things. So it's just become really stressful. My mental health is already not good, y'all, and you know I'm like one string away from going nuts, but I'm joking, but yeah, so I thought it would be better if I step away from the Fridays for now, so that I can really focus on giving you guys quality content and not rush these makeovers, because this is, God willing, our forever home, and I want to do these things right. So for the time being, maybe for the next month or two, or maybe I will have like surprise Friday videos whenever I can squeeze them in, but for now Tuesday is going to be my main upload date. And yeah, and then once all these like major things are done, which I think is going to be the master bedroom, and then the outside stuff that we're doing are going to be the major things, and then like the guest bedroom makeover and all the other makeovers that are coming, I can manage doing 2 days. But anyways, I'm ranting. But yeah, you guys, so everything has officially came for the master bedroom, and I'm so excited. There's just a few things that I did post, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle down below, because you're gonna want to follow me there, because that's where I post everything first. The people who have me on Instagram already have seen this, already have voted probably. I'm gonna show you guys kind of my inspiration here. I showed you guys this a while back when we first moved into the house. This is my inspiration for the bedroom makeover, and I've been dreaming of a master bedroom like this my whole life, and I'm just so excited that we're going to be able to be doing that. So with that being said, I had a couple of polls that I put on Instagram for votes, so I'm going to put them up here, so you guys have the chance to vote here, and if not, go ahead and go on my Instagram, and the polls are still under my new house highlights. But anyways, this is the design that I'm going with. This is what I made up, and a lot of people ask me where I do these things. I do it on an app called Bazaar. I just like cut in the pictures from the website that I get these things from, and then I cut them into the whole projects. But anyways, I am torn between white lamps and these brown lamps, and you guys, on Instagram, I think a majority voted for the brown lamps, but it was really, really, really close. So anyways, let me know or go back to my highlights and tell me your thought on that so I can finally make a decision. I did not order them yet. They're both from Target. And then I also have a decision on two rugs that look very, very similar. Some people said just get whichever one is cheaper because they look similar, but they do have a little bit, like one has a little bit more bluish tones and one has a little more brownish tones. So definitely let me know A or B, or go vote on my highlight down on Instagram. But yeah, those are basically the two major things that I'm deciding on, and the only sneak peeks I'm going to show you guys until now. It is going to be a two-part makeover because it is allowed. We're doing a feature wall. Have to build all new furniture. That's going to be like a mini love seat and all that stuff. So I think I'm going to do one part. It's going to be the feature wall and the nightstands and the bed, which is like the main centerpieces, and then the second part will be decorating the little love seat that I'm going to have, and adding in curtains, wall decor, and all the, like the tree, the plant. I'm saying tree, like, yeah, I got an olive tree for it, but all those little touches are going to be in the second part, and then in the first part is going to be like the main feature wall with the bed and the nightstands and all that stuff. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the little bit of footage here that's left of me cleaning, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when we start decorating.
Only time will tell. I still want all of you, and I know all your colors. And I guess because of that, I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you, I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Work it out. No, no. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us, us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you.
Alright, you guys, now that everything is picked up, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and mop my floors, deep mop my floors with the spin mop. You guys know I usually use the Bona mop. Well, whenever my floors are disgusting, I need to deep mop my floors with the spin mop. But basically, it's springtime here in New York, and pollen is all over. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, the asphalt in our driveway and our walkway are like filled with like that yellow pollen that comes down off of trees or when it rains. And my dog will go outside to, you know, the backyard to run around and do whatever he does, and he'll bring in, he's shaggy, we need to cut his hair, but he'll bring in so much every time he comes in, and there was like pollen all over. And I have really bad allergies. Like, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you do, I have posted something where I woke up super dizzy and I was super afraid, and it turned out to be allergies. My sinuses were super inflamed, and that was causing me to get that dizziness, which thank God it was not like something like what I was thinking. I'm a hypochondriac and I Google stuff and I thought I had like a million things, but it was allergies, y'all. So I really need to stay on top during this springtime on vacuuming and mopping my floors, because I cannot have any pollen just lingering around inside.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do.
If you guys are wondering, yes, I did put a dish pod inside of my mop water. I've been doing that ever since my TikTok cleaning hack video. I wasn't kidding. It actually makes the floors feel so much cleaner. So I've been doing that whenever I want to give my floors a deep clean.
It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see.
Okay, so I had went to Home Goods and Target. I got gift cards for Mother's Day, so that's where this whole decorating video came. I'm not rich, y'all, but I got these little scents, this room spray for my little sprays that I had for my guest bench. I told you guys I wanted to put scent sprays for guests whenever they, you know, go number 2. But I did want to take out also my spring decor in here, so I had those little like daisy looking flowers, and I moved the towels to the vanity, and I decided to put this thing that I got for the kitchen makeover that I didn't end up using. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's a super cute canister. I got it for like $5, and then I just put some things that I thought guests would need on my guest bench, like this was meant for. Now, yet again, I was taking out my Easter decor, my spring decor, so I took out this little wreath that I had there. I just wanted a more plain look, and I wanted to add more color because I feel like I just have so much white, and I'm loving sage green. So I got this pillow from Target, and then I thought this blue floral pillow really complemented it in a weird way. I wouldn't think to put blue and sage green together, but it did look super cute. And again, I have a lot of white in my living room, so I wanted to add more color. For the side tables, I just took off the florals that I had for spring, all the yellow florals, and put back my greenery that I already had. Both of those 2 greeneries were from Home Goods. For the mantle, I went ahead and put that bowl that I got for the coffee table, but I didn't end up liking it there, and I just used it for my remote controls. And then again, I took out the daisies that I had in that vase, and I'm putting some florals or some greenery that I got from Hearth and Hand at Target. But yeah, you guys, that is it for my little Sunday reset. We did some cleaning, some decorating. I let you guys know what's coming up, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one.
It was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me. Sorry you have changed now, but it's the same.